All right, we're back. Magnus fireworks, catching fire, 12 shots, 500 gram cake. And Magnus likes to have a description, so we're gonna look for that. What you get in this cake, once it there focuses, we get palm tree, blue, silver, red, gold, heavy, loud, 4 to 5. Our performance, this cake performs blue bouquet with breaking red palm tree, blue star pistol, silver bouquet with breaking gold willow, the white stroke pistol. We have a red, white, and blue finale. Open it up. There it is. Oh. I don't know about that. Ooh, that's got me a little concerned. Well, maybe I won't demo this one. But, I mean, if we do, you're going to see the video. If you've seen this video, it means I demoed it. We're about to see what happens. All right, guys. Catching fire. Maybe there's a reason it's called that. Well, hopefully it doesn't blast apart on us. All right. We'll see you in a bit.
Catching fire.
Oh, boy.
I'm getting behind this shit.
I would, yeah, definitely. Nice strobe.